That's the matter. They send shout out. So this one, first of all, say good afternoon, Fresh Talk. Okay. Say please help me and prank so number. His name is Smith Eze. My name is Juliet. You don't tell me whether when they do anything together. Now I want you to know how I want to take do them. When I go bear with us. So anyway, we will stop today. We'll continue tomorrow. 5-2. Okay. Make I quickly go do and make you see how many we'll get. I hope say it's incorrect. 0-1. Okay. Alright. We'll call this one. I'll say go pick. We're not gonna call past 2 times, so we'll call you, no pick. We don't move on to the next one. Alright, no pick. No pick, we'll move to the next one. Okay, this one say this is nice. Let's see. Okay, hello Fresh Talk. Her name is Ngozi. This one. Man, not to announce in case the person they listen. Her. Alright, my collect the number. Okay, like say if you just spoil 1 or 2 relationships today, anyhow way take me. I hope say it completes. You know complete. 0915. Okay. You don't complete. I'm gonna do this one. I don't know why this not they connect. It's in the happen. We'll try another number. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
How you doing?
Fine.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How am I speaking?
My name is Kingsley. How your name? How you doing now? You be Ngozi Abi?
Yes.
Blessing. Ezeja.
Yeah.
You dey wonder how I carry know you full Abi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
I did with you.
Yeah.
Person send me message.
Mm.
Say make I read one love message for you.
One.
He say make I tell you, according to the message, say please let her know that I love her, I care so much about her, and she means a lot to me.
And what is that?
Now you are go ask Nana, so the game day. Now you go tell us who you feel say send you that kind of message. Anyway, you did live on air on top of Voice of the People 96.1 FM Abuja.
Sorry for laughing.
Okay.
Live on air.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You say?
Tomorrow.
I don't hear you well.
I said no be tomorrow.
You don't see him now. So who you feel say send you that kind of love message?
I don't know pass my husband.
What's your husband name?
I'm the love.
Who?
I'm the love Augustine.
Okay, Onovo Augustine. Alright, if Namdi they listen now, which message will you get for her?
Huh?
If Namdi they listen, which message you get for her? What do you want to tell her?
Okay, tell her. Network real good.
Why network not very good that they hear you?
Okay. Wait, did you see the message again? Sorry.
Leave the one way in send. Talk your own.
Okay.
Yeah. Talk your own. Now you end the call. I'll call you back. Will they wait for you? Why she end the call? Hello?
Hello?
Why you end the call?
Sorry, neglect my man. I'm just mistakenly pressing.
Okay. So you don't get any love message for your husband?
I want to talk to I'm a husband.
Ayana, talk and Nina.
Tell him say I wish I happy Valentine.
Don't be say make I tell him. In they listen to you now. Just they talk him in the hear.
Okay. Tell him happy Valentine.
Don't be tell him.
So
Imagine
much.
say they talk to him direct. Now in they listen to you.
No be they talk to me on phone now. Now you they talk to me.
Now
so.
they talk now. So just imagine say you they talk to him because in they listen to you. So tell him what you want. Tell him direct. No say tell me tell him. No tell me to tell him.
Okay. Okay. I love him so, and I wish him very much best.
Him or you?
Me too. Yeah. Hello.
This idea what they try give you, suppose don't run am like this since. Talk to your husband
Hey,
direct.
you
No
know
do am like say they don't say him. No be say I love him. Say I love you. Like they tell him direct. Just
Okay. Okay. Can tell him direct.
tell him direct.
Okay,
In they listen.
Sorry. Okay. I love you, and you mean a lot to me. And happy Valentine. Mwah.
When I come out there, when I go, when I know I'm allow us sleep today. Anyway, congratulations to Tough. Now when I enjoy my Valentine's Day.
Thank you very much.
My regards to Ram
Thank
too.
you.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
And
All right, then. Sorry, sir. I called the call like that. We really get much to attend to. Might rush this one. Know whether you go pick now. I hope saying go pick this time around. Okay, they ring. Alright, so they call another person. This one, the babe, nice to make we call him. I hope saying go pick. Bro, speak more, know what to do with you. Hello?
Yeah,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Smith Eze, how you there?
Okay. Just a
So,
second.
so your voice dey down. You dey live on top radio.
No.
I said they call you live.
What's speaking?
They call you live from radio station like this.
Really?
You dey hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Your name na Smith Eze, abi?
Yes.
So I say your girlfriend send us message. Say make we read them out for you.
Okay.
What happen? You no get girlfriend?
I'm shocked now.
Huh?
I'm shocked. Yeah.
You shock?
I'm shocked. Everything is a surprise there. I wasn't expecting it. That's
But you get or you no get or you get some.
without the message first.
Okay. He said, please help me tell my boyfriend that he means a lot to me. Tell him that I love him. Tell him that I care about him. Tell him that he is my one and my only. Aww. And I mean, add, oh, that the love message sweets me.
But hold on. Which radio station is it?
You want use scope now? Whether you all know the area where the babe where you get for this area. See as we want do now the pattern for the game because we go soon round up. Now you go tell us the name of this your girlfriend. Where you feel say we send you this kind of message. Then we go tell you the station where we call you from.
Yeah, tell me the name of the radio station. I want to believe that. You know, a lot
VOP 96.1 FM.
What?
VOP 96.1 FM.
POP. I haven't heard of that
VOP
before.
Voice of the People 96.1 FM. I'm not sure say maybe your states because I don't want to tell you the states. So I don't go use and code the girlfriend because it sound like who get girlfriend every corner.
No.
So what's the name of the girl?
That's not like. Now you go tell me who to
No. The game be saying. Let me go read the message for you. Let me tell you your name, Abi. Which means say the person send and give me now. I don't tell you your name. So now you go now tell me the name of the person who send the message.
Yeah, I'm busy by accident actually because
I know now that reason why you ask. Now be
I
the reason why.
I want to know who decided to single me out on.
I don't understand.
On
you already confirmed say you get girlfriend before now. Abi?
Did I say that? I do know.
Okay, wait. Okay, sorry. You know get girlfriend, Abi?
No, I want to know.
Okay, we'll go straight to the point. You get or you no get?
No, just tell me first.
I no go fit tell you the name. Now you supposed to mention the name of that your girlfriend. That way we go dey sure say she know dey date herself.
Say she just. No, I want to know now.
Okay, wait.
Maybe
your name na Smith.
It's just a prank.
Abi?
It's just a prank.
It's not a prank.
Yes, that's my.
You dey live on radio like this. You dey live on radio, and this our conversation they live on YouTube as well. So if you deny her, you don't deny her worldwide. So they listen to you. So who be the girl who send this message? Okay, she feel be the one. Okay, move on like this. What's the name of your girlfriend? Move that thing tally with the one where they here.
You're saying the same thing now.
Wait, simple thing. You see why they run around now, You they double date. Now you make it they run around. If
No.
If not only one girlfriend you get, like me.
Okay, let me tell you. Okay, did she tell you where I am?
No, she say your name now Smith Eze.
My name is Smith. Yes.
So the name tally.
My surname is Eze.
Yeah. Now call the name.
So no, now you go tell me. I don't know. I need to be sure.
Oh, yeah, no, I'll allow you. You don't already deny the girl. No, I'm no stress her. Obviously, you don't deny the girl.
Kingsley, is that you?
Yes.
No, Is that Kingsley?
Yes.
Kingsley. Okay.
What's be the girl name now?
But no, I want to be sure. You sound
Bros, you
they
cheat. You know, like I know be your friend. I don't know you. You don't know me. But live and you they cheat.
This station, where is this station? Is it in Abuja or in
Smith, is it? Smith. Don't worry, you are not faithful. You are not faithful. You know they faithful, forget them. Now the girl who they date you now.
No.
You know they faithful. You know get one girlfriend.
Why you say
call her name. What's the name of your girlfriend?
I need to. No, you need to clear me first.
No be so. If I go tell you, that means say
if you clear me, then I'll tell you. If you clear me, maybe I have something to tell you.
You know who be Sandra?
Don't be.
You know who be Sandra? You know Sandra?
And you say actually.
Smith, ma allow you go. Smith, you are not faithful. You don't do bye bye. If you dey faithful to one girl, call the name. Call that your girlfriend name. Go in.
Alright now. Bye
bye. Enjoy.
Thank you.
No, thank me. All right, Juliet. For like, make I call you. I hope so. I call you sharply. make you know say the guy wey they did confuse you round up sharply. Okay, ma try call you. I beg we won't apologize on time. People will not go fit attend to their own. When I hold on, we go do carryover tomorrow. You know go late. All of them are still Valentine. Okay, ma do this one like this. Juliet. Eyes and Randall.
Number you're trying to call does not.
Okay, you know go. Why is this one to round up? Because time don't really die against. Okay. We don't try. I hope say this one go pick. If Unaya, your boyfriend will send you a message. It a ring. If Naya pick, we no get time. Hello, if Naya.
Hi. Yes.
How you doing now?
I'm fine.
Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Happy Valentine's Day. Why does it sound like?
Like what?
Mikey. I don't even know who is talking.
Okay, you don't go know. You dey live on top radio like this now, if Naya.
Really?
Yes. All right, quickly, your boyfriend sent us message. Mo send give you.
Okay.
So he said, please call my girlfriend. Tell her that she's the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I love her so much.
Wow.
So who you feel send you this message?
So wait, currently I'm live for the radio.
Yes, and on YouTube.
On YouTube too.
Yes.
Wow.
I will tell you the name of the station when you don't answer my question.
You better tell me the name of the station now. Because I don't believe this.
That means you don't get. That means you don't get one boyfriend.
I don't believe this one. No.
You get one boyfriend or you don't get one boyfriend?
I get 20.
What's be the name of the first one?
I don't know.
So who you feel say send you this message now? No jokes. Are you there live on air?
I don't know. Seriously.
You say now you saying be your boyfriend. Say you be in girlfriend. You say you don't
know. I just feel like this is somebody that knows me, that is trying to.
You are live on air. You did Voice of the People 96.1 FM Abuja.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
So
I don't know why I don't believe this.
Oh yeah, just no believe him. Just tell me the name of your boyfriend. Then you go find out whether that's true or not.
This person sounds like somebody I know, honestly.
Juliet, our time don't they up. Mention I be make I just believe say you get more than one.
Anyone you want to believe, or like my friends are very saucy. My friends are very saucy. Although, okay, let me just say, if this is true, that means it's 6-2.
Yeah. All right. So since you send us message, say make we call in girlfriend. So thank God say you know fall in hand.
I don't follow anybody.
My name is Fresh Talk, and they call you live from VOP 96.1 FM Abuja.
Wow.
And so we want to take sign out from this particular one. We'll continue
wow.
to. Congratulations to you, Juliet, and we hope say we don't do our own parts. We don't send our love message with you.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
All right, no vex say we'll not go continue with this one. Tomorrow we'll go continue from where we stop. Now still VOP 91 FM, and that may be Fresh Talk. Well done.
VOP 96.1 FM.
As a sharp